Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to contact Exness Customer Support. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in my.exness.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Exness. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're logged into your account, you'll be led to the personal area. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. At last, you'll be able to find the option for Support Hub. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to the Support Hub interface. You'll be able to find various options through which you'll be able to contact the Support Hub. First of all, you can simply search for your question or keyword. You can get your one-stop solution for all your needs. So simply click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is simply enter your question or keywords over here. Now click on the search icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be redirected to new interface. Over here you'll be able to find various articles related with your question or keywords. So like this, your problem can be solved. Or if you do not find a solution in these articles, you can simply contact the customer care. For that, what you have to do is go to the Exness tab. Now over here, you'll also be able to submit the ticket. What you have to do is simply click on this option, open a ticket. Now if you click on this option, you'll be able to open a ticket. You'll have to fill up a form and you'll be replied within 24 hours. Simply select a topic for inquiry. You'll be able to find the options like payments, trading, technical, VPS, etc. Click on the option of your choice. Now you'll have to select the category. You'll be able to find various categories over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now scroll down, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you have to fill up the form. First of all, select the account. Now also enter the position or order number. Now once you do that, you'll also have to describe the issue in more detail. You can be as specific as possible. Now after that, you can also upload the files. Simply click on this option. After that, you'll be able to drop the files over here. Now after you fill in this form, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the ticket summary over here. Simply review this. After that, click on the continue option. Now you can see over here your application will be submitted. Now you'll be responded within 24 hours, or you can also contact the customer care via other means. Simply scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for contact us. You'll be able to find two options, phone, live chat. If you want to contact the support team via phone, you'll be able to see the phone number over here. You'll also be able to find the working hours. You'll be able to find the availability for the languages over here. So you can simply check this availability and call the number. Or you can also simply do the live chat. Simply click on this option, start chat. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to chat with the Exness assistant. Simply type in your message over here. Once you do that, press enter. Now you can see over here, your message will be sent. Now Exness assistant will reply to you. So like this, you'll be able to contact the customer support via live chat too. So these are basically the ways to contact the customer support of Exness. So that is how you contact customer support of Exness. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.